did that. Oh my God. I was in the zone, chat.
Congratulations.
I know.
Oh, that was solid.
That was crazy, bro.
Dude, I can't believe he came that close to forklift and almost hit it, but he didn't hit it. We got one more thing we're gonna do for speed here before we go to the rally track, and that is run over 3 cars with the tank. Might stand back. I don't remember how to drive